Bhutan is making home. They first is making the windows like this, and after the wall area, they make it two woods, and the women are stand inside. The men are putting the wood, the clay and stone. Then they will beat like touching wall that way. When they are remove this wood piece, and it's come a nice wall. Water, the pipeline. They make a wooden pipe. They come to the water here and rolling the mandras. See, Eddie? When the water come, Eddie, look at here. This Bhutan is so many waterfalls. They are to coming water here, and this way is come to here. Is a grinding mill. It's a rice or maize they will do. See here. Look at that.
Oh, pelang kumto, cara kumcai ini. Cara kumcai ini. Oh, ini soal kumnian ni bisa. Soal itu. Lihat di mana style. There is style. Try Daddy. It's a Heritage Museum, and the museum you can see the construction like a traditional house of the Bhutan people, and in front of the home they keeping like in a bull head. On the same side you can see something. Don't be shy. It's the worship of the Bhutanese for their life.
This is for the fishing. First one river, and the fish they will start here, and they will take the fish from there. Yeah, they will put it here, and then they will run. Here on Earth, we always have a small this is to burn incense.
The grinding rice and maize.
You can try it.
Skin and leather bags using for the paddy field. Traditional ways cooking. Roasted rice. What they are adding the ingredients of this local wine?
They use maize, rice.
Okay, then what is mixing? Like yeast is doing?
Yeah, is outside.
After cooking, they put the yeast, right?
Yeah. They make it through the process of distillation. One more?
Kalong na.
You can have a sip of it.
Did you want?
Jadi tangan dia.
Nama nasi di dalam ani. How much? 150.
This is the mat. Olden days, the bags, bamboo bags, baskets, leather baskets.
Same, na
They will keep the animals. The traditional house. This is they keep the water and all. And we will climb to the first floor. Houses in the first floor, they keep the storeroom. This is a 3-floor building. On the downside is they are keeping the cows or any animals, and the first floor they are storing, and the top floor they are living, which means the heat also has come from the down That's they are protecting the rooms, and you can see some rooms inside. It's very nicely they done it, but they are not permitting the photography.